lady here. Her name is Debbie. She's from Wales. Welcome to Vivyan Hair Design, Debbie. This is her hair. Actually, she wanna change this hairstyle to a little bit nice, a new, modern bob hairstyle, a new one. She feel very old with this style. She wanna change. She wanna feel young, trendy, and fashion. So Debbie, tell me, what can we do for you, please?
I'd like a bob, please. I've grown the fringe to
Yeah.
the same length as my hair, but now I'd like to change to a fringe.
Yeah, you want to change, you want to short. So we're gonna do a nice lovely fringe here, and we're gonna cut all this hair in one nice, very attractive line. So we are very happy Debbie is here. So Debbie, we will see you later. We
Thank
come
you.
back.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao. Bye. We are here with Debbie, and we're gonna show you now how we got a nice, lovely bob line. Be with us. Bye. Bye.
Okay.
She like it, and we like it also. So we are here back with Debbie. As you see, this is the result. This is the result of her hair. We just cut her a lovely, nice bob line, very beautiful. We really love this bob line. I'm showing it to you, so you see how nice, how lovely, extremely perfect haircut for Debbie. And let me show it from this side so you can see it. It's really nice and very, very beautiful. She have a little bit root, but no problem. We will color it next time. And let me see, Debbie, I really love your hair. So tell us, Debbie, do you like your hair?
I absolutely love it. I'm very, very pleased. Thank you ever so much.
Oh, thank you, Debbie, for visiting us here in Vivyan Hair Design. Thank you for you watching our video. It was Debbie from Wales. We are very happy to change her hair. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, everybody, and bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.